Hello.
Yes.
Yes.
So first of all, congratulations for the winner. That is some bank boy Kuldeep. So he has got the route. So
Rohit bro, YouTube no echo આવે.
Now is it correct?
Yes, fine now.
So let's go to the walkthrough. Now, when you actually go to the site, then you actually have a understanding that what is your role in this CTF. The CTF is entirely based on the theme of uh, sacred games. So your role is to being the Sartaj Singh, that is the police officer who is actually investigating the uh, Ganesh Gaitonde's whereabouts. Observing the pages on the side, you get clues to get into the machine. So when you go to the contact page, you will get the message गोपाल मठ में रहता हूँ, मरने से पहले आपसे मिलना है. So you have got the idea that you have to go to the Gopal Math. When you do enumeration, obviously you will find only two ports open, that is 22 and port 80. On the port 80, when you scan for the with the help of WP scan, you will see that there is a reflex gallery plugin enabled on the WordPress site. Up to the plugin, that is reflex gallery, when you go on the search exploit, you will see that it is vulnerable to arbitrary file upload. Creating an exploit and uploading a reverse shell or some command injection PHP file. Running the exploit.html or the PHP shell, which is just a one-liner command to execute commands through the PHP. Once you upload the shell, you can see that you can execute command on the server. Now comes the main part, that is gaining the reverse shell, that is get to Gopal node. Exploitation. We will be using ngrok for this purpose. Obviously, if you want to take shell via the internet, so if you have a VPS, then it's very good. If you don't, then you can use any such tool such as ngrok. So once you get to the ngrok, you can create, you can actually port forward your internet based, or you can actually go for the local host exposure of the over the internet. Gaining the reverse shell. Once you have the command injection, you can obviously go for reverse shell using the Pentest Monkey reverse shell cheat sheet. When you go to the home of Ganesh Gaitonde, that is the Gopal Math, so you will find the first flag over here. Now every flag had its own clue. Okay, so here the next thing what the flag says is that you have to find Trivedi. So going to the Trivedi, how to find Trivedi? So when you actually, there is a reference from this series. So in Gopal Math, the Trivedi is also there at the same place where the Ganesh Gaitonde was. So when you go for the, when you deep dive into Gopal Math, you will find there is a folder called basement, and in basement there is Trivedi. From there you will get the SSH key for Trivedi. Using SSH to gain access to the server. Now, once you have access to the server, you have home for the Trivedi. Now, from here, you have to just enumerate the entire file system to gain access or to identify where Trivedi has access to on which files. So, when you run the command find slash, it means the root, hyphen user Trivedi, it means that you are scanning or looking for the entire file system in which the user Trivedi has access to. So there is one folder in var and it has two files, that is yayati.txt and the ashram.jpg. When you go for the yayati.txt, that is the second flag, you will see that the next thing you have to go is to find Bhatya, that is the third user. Now there is a hint that you have to go to Ashram, and there was also a file named Ashram in that same folder. Now you copy that file to your home, means your attacking machine, and when you open it, you will see that it's a the image is of a Rosette Hotel, New Delhi. Now again, taking a clue from the web series, this is the hotel where the entire what do you say, the ashram was shot at. So using this take hide tool, obviously you will get the password. Obviously the address was about the Rosette Hotel, so the password was the same. You will get access to Bhatia users password. Now comes the main part. Accessing Bhatya's home, you will see that she has access to a file named Matsya. Over there, you will have the first thing that comes under the is that you have to find the Bhatya has the access to Guruji user. Okay, so the last line, if you see, it's Guruji tak pahunchne ki chabi. It means that Bhatya is hiding something which can lead us to Guruji user. Obviously, when under Linux, when you are using anything, there is a history behind it. So there is bash history. When you check bash history, you will find command of su Guruji. It means that Bhatya can switch to user Guruji along with the password. So once you switch into Guruji, there is another file over there named Kal Granth. So here you get the hint that Guruji, from the last line, that is Guruji hi sarvashaktishali eklauta Bhagwan hai. So in the world of Unix, when you say sarvashaktishali Bhagwan, you know the root is God. So it means that Guruji has powers to root access. So the first command to check what root access or what commands the user can have over the root, it's sudo -l. So here you can see that Guruji can run man command with sudo permissions. The post exploitation, that is the privilege escalation part. In this privilege escalation, we will get help from GTFO bins. It's a very cool site in which there are shell escapes, privilege escalation commands for all the binaries we have in the Linux. So when you open sudo, when you open man command using sudo, you can directly escalate your privileges using the this command !bin/sh. Getting into root. So here it's a cool reference to the character Bunty. So when you have the root flag, so there is chhatri.txt flag file. When you open it, you will have the third or the last root flag. So that's the presentation. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. Thank you. Brahmasmi.